Hey everyone, it's Laura Myers for CMS-Connected here at Bloomreach Connect 2018. And I'm joined by Mike Schramm, Director of Global E-Commerce at BlueJeans Network. So thanks for sitting down with us.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, wonderful to chat with you. So you actually have a unique experience with many different commerce platforms. So on our site, we talk a lot about the decision-making process. So what's important to you in that process?
Yeah, I think first flexibility.
Yeah.
Really being able to match our business requirements with what kind of tools that a platform might have, and
Yeah.
talk a little bit about APIs and having that openness.
Yeah, yeah. So headless commerce has been important.
Yeah, headless commerce is important. I had used a suite, if you will, an e-commerce suite, a SaaS multi-tenant e-commerce platform. And we got to a point where we were getting sophisticated. We had marketers that were coming in with digital marketing skills, and the CMS they had wasn't really effective. We just couldn't get the throughput we wanted and the kind of customer experience that they were aspiring to have.
Yeah.
So we went headless. We actually took a look around. We had some recommendations on some open source Sitecore and other tools. We ended up, given that our web team had chosen Adobe Experience Manager, going with CQ5, which is now part of AEM,
Cool.
as our approach.
That's awesome. Yeah, and there's been such a great conversation here about kind of the next level of digital experience. So when you're thinking about the future of commerce, what are those kind of trends or technologies you're very excited to utilize?
Yeah, I think one of the things I came up this morning in the talk was immersive, and that immersive digital experience, and how important that is to everybody. Especially in our business, we're in video conferencing, and we see so much of the usage and the behavior of each individual participant in a video call. And so being able to have that in-app messaging and in-app conversation that either leads to an upsell or another type of conversation with the customer would be really one of the key things for us.
Yeah, kind of using that. And then you had mentioned also like data is quite important to you in your strategy.
Well, data, a couple ways. One actually neat thing, and I'm new to the video conferencing space, so one of the neat things is our message around sustainability.
Yeah.
So in our hosting environment, you can actually see and help companies calculate ROI on video conferencing versus travel and what their carbon footprint is. And so that's one interesting use of the data, but there are a lot of other uses around, hey, are they on the right level of our product? Are they getting the best pricing discounts? Should they be up-leveling to have a named account rep or customer service to help them embed into their room solution if it's a bigger company?
Yeah,
some really neat stuff.
That's very interesting because I think we've talked about like voice sort of in that way before in terms of like how it can benefit and sort of video conferencing, bringing down travel budgets and stuff like that. So that's awesome that you can give them that like real-time data of showing them how it's being useful.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's really interesting. And we're doing some experimentation with that too. It's not where we want it to be, and some of our bigger enterprise clients are starting to think about how do we actually get a little more precise. So we've got Q scores at the end of all of our video meetings to kind of see how we're performing and how we're doing.
Yeah.
We're also thinking about, hey, do we have an opt-in program for sustainability where people could actually have a conversation, say, hey, what would you have realistically gotten in a car and had this meeting or flown had you not taken the video call? What behaviors did this offset for you? So some interesting conversations to have.
That's awesome. That's great insight in that market. Yeah. Well, that's all I have. Thanks so much.
Great. Thank you.
Perfect.